Welcome to Ada's Reading Corner. Hi, I'm Ada, your storyteller. Let's share the joy of reading and embrace the power of imagination, one enchanting story at a time. So visit with me on my YouTube channel and let the magic begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for notifications of new stories. Messy Bessey, written by Patricia and Frederick McKissick, illustrated by Dana Reagan. Look at your room, Messy Bessey. See colors on the wall, books on the chair, toys in the dresser drawer, and games everywhere. Messy Bessey, your room is a mess. See shoes on the bed, coat on the floor, socks on the table, and your hat on the door. Bessy, look at your messy room. See the cup in the closet, cookies on the pillow, gum on the ceiling, and jam on the window. Messy, messy Bessy, your room is a mess. Get the soap and water, get the mop and broom. Get busy, Messy Bessy, you must clean your room. So Bessy rubbed and scrubbed the walls, the ceiling, and the floor. She made her bed, picked up her things, and closed the closet door. Hooray! Good for you, Miss Bessy. Just look at you, too. Your room is clean and beautiful. Just like you. The end of Messy Bessey. Thanks for listening. And if you enjoyed the story, then go ahead and hit that like button for me. And subscribe to my channel for notification of new stories.